to disable end-to-end encryption in your FB Messenger. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can turn off your end-to-end encryption in your Messenger application. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your app store or the Play Store that you are using, and here you have to go on the search and you just have to search for your Messenger application. So now once you are in the Messenger, you just have to click on it and make sure that your Messenger application is updated. And once you update your Messenger, you just have to go back and open up your Messenger application. So now once you are in here, in the top left corner there is the three horizontal lines. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to click on this gear icon to go in your settings of your Messenger. So now once you are in, you have to tap on the privacy and the safety, and from here as you can see that here is the option of the end-to-end encrypted chats. You just have to click on it, and from here you have two options. One is the security alerts and the second one is the login. You have to click on the first one, and from here you have to make sure that this icon is disabled, and if it is enabled you just have to off this icon, and that's how you can turn off your end-to-end encryption in your Messenger application. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.